This 2025 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 25 FKD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, external shower, TV, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, auxiliary battery, water heater, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 25 FKD is 7,040 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.